In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the color of a background of a Tableau dashboard. Whether you're refining a professional project or simply enhancing a personal presentation, adjusting the background color can make a significant difference in the overall look and feel of your dashboard. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you can accomplish this smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Tableau. Once you've navigated to Tableau's website, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up and create one. The process is straightforward and typically involves entering some basic information. Once you're logged in, open your Tableau dashboard where you wish to modify the background color. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a pane labeled Layout. It's an essential component of the dashboard editor, where you'll manage the structure and visual order of your dashboard elements. Next, let's focus on understanding whether your dashboard is using a tiled layout. If that's the case, you need to identify an object within the dashboard to begin. Click on that object, and then double-click again to enter its container. Continue double-clicking until you've navigated to the outermost container. This container is responsible for managing the overall background of your dashboard. With the container selected, return your attention to the Layout pane. Here you will find the Background option. By clicking on the color selector, you'll be able to choose your desired background color. This choice sets the stage for the mood and visual appeal of your dashboard, so consider your options and select a color that best suits the data presentation and your audience. If you want to change the background color of a specific worksheet rather than the whole dashboard, you can do this by selecting the particular worksheet. After selecting it, navigate to the Format menu on the dashboard's top bar. From there, choose Shading, and again, you'll have the opportunity to select the color that meets your specifications. And finally, for other dashboard objects like text boxes, the process is similar. Select the object you want to change, then look again to the Layout pane. You'll find the Background option, where you can update the color to align with your overall design theme. That's it! You've successfully learned how to edit the color of a background on your Tableau dashboard. By effectively controlling the background color of your dashboard and its various components, you can make your data stories not only more engaging, but also more understandable at first glance. Thanks for watching, and make sure to experiment with these options to find the best fit for your project.